Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to Facebook at 2026. So actually guys, you will need to know that Canva supports the Facebook pages for the business accounts, of course, and personal profiles for direct posting and sharing. And as a note, you will need to know also that direct publishing is mainly for pages, not personal profiles for scheduling. Okay, so to connect Facebook via Canva, you will need at first to go to the canva.com and log into your account, and then just open or create a design. So for example, we go with that one. And after that, all you need to do is to go and click on share on the top right corner, share button on right. And here you will find some options below on that pop-up menu. So all I want you to do is to go and click on schedule here, all right? I can't actually click it and show you the next steps, and that's because I don't have currently the Canva Pro. So you'll need to have the Canva Pro first, right? That's required and very important, right? So once you click it, you will need to click on add social accounts, then just select Facebook, sign in with your Facebook account, and choose the page you want to post to: personal profiles, for example, or business profile. Okay, so let me just note that the personal profiles may not allow scheduled posts in some cases. Okay, then just click allow and grant permissions to authorize Canva, and after connecting you can schedule posts to Facebook pages and share your design directly from Canva. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.